Happy Tuesday. It is our Tuesday 2-minute tutorials. And so where I try to teach you something pretty useful in roughly 2 minutes. Today, I'm going to show you how to save a ton of money. Seriously, a ton of money on EDDM mailings. You are doing EDDM mailings, right? If you're a business owner, you should be doing EDDM mailings where you send a postcard, a big postcard to whole neighborhoods. You don't have to have a list or anything. You don't have to compile a list. You send it to neighborhoods that you like. It's a whole carrier route, and it's really cheap in postage. If you're a professional marketer, you should be showing your clients and business owners around town how to get their offers and coupons and sales and promotions or whatever they got going on to the local neighborhoods that would like to know about them. It's nice when you run a sale and instantly all the neighborhoods you want know about it instantly like that. Because it's hard to do those things digitally and it gets really expensive with the SEO and stuff and the TV commercials and stuff. Why not just send a big postcard right to people's homes so they can clip the coupon out or know about the big sale you're running? If you've been doing EDDM at any time, you're going to love this. I don't know why I haven't talked about more of this before. I think because I've been trying to not complicate these things, but sometimes a little bit of complexity can save you quite a bit of money. If you're going to send more than 9,000 postcards in a year, you will save money. And every postcard you send after that, not 9,000 mailings, just 9,000 postcards. If you're doing a 10,000 piece campaign, you will need to use this information. If you're going to do 10,000 pieces 10 times a year, you're going to save so much money because you can save almost 3 cents in postage by just getting a mailing permit. Mailing permits can sometimes seem a little bit scary, but they're not. If this is something that interests you, if you'd like to save 2.7 cents currently per piece every time you do a mailing, so if you're doing 10,000 pieces, if you'd like to spend $270 less in postage every time, let me know in the comments and I'll make a whole guide. I may even make it for free. I'll make a guide, a PDF guide or a walkthrough if enough people are interested, and I'll give it to you on how to do this. But the basics are that you go to your local post office and you tell them you want the application to get a mailing permit. It's a certain form number. I don't know it offhand. They know it. Every post office, I think every post office, if not the one right near you, one very close, will allow you to get a permit in their office. It's currently $245 a year. You pay $245, then you have it for a whole year, and you pay another $245 to renew it. And that allows you to process marketing. They call it marketing mail. It lets you put your little postage thing on there that says your permit number on it. With that imprint, you can now process your EDDM mailings at currently 16.4 cents in postage. This changes every year. It generally goes up sometimes just 0.1%. It doesn't move much, but it's currently in 2021, 16.4 cents, whereas if you're doing normal EDDM, it's 19.1 cents. So it's 3 cents, it's almost 3 cents cheaper. It's 2.7 cents cheaper. With that permit, you can send any amount you want. You can send out 50,000 of these. You're not limited to the 5,000 per day rule that you are with normal EDDM. Now, there is a certain process that you have to do for them to stamp and approve the mailings and stuff, but it's super easy, well worth it. Every single mailing you do, you'll save money. You'll pay for the permit within your first mailing, most likely. And if that interests you, I will make a free tutorial that you can pick up. Just let me know in the comments below and hit that subscribe button. I will see you tomorrow.